So this is a quick video on how to install the mesh for the front grille of a Tesla Model Y. From everything I've read online, that whole thing is open in there, as you can see. So bugs fly in there, causes issues with the radiator. You got to clean it out from time to time. So got the snap-in from off of Amazon. Put a link in the description. And we're just going to do a quick install. It looks pretty straightforward. Just slides into here. Clips in. This side clips into this part right there. Hop in the other side. Slide it down. It should just snap into place, like so. And that appears to be it. Pretty clean. If I want to take it out, just squeeze these two tabs. Only thing I wish is it had something here. Nothing will fit in the box, so try it out for a while, see how it works. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to see more videos like this, comment on it below. Thanks. Bye.